Hello, my name is Cherionna Menzam-Sills, and I am delighted to have been invited to present at the Barcelona Osteopathic Conference happening in May. Just to briefly introduce myself, I'm originally from Canada, but I currently live in the UK, and I have taught and practiced craniosacral biodynamics for many years. I also have a background as a psychotherapist and I teach movement work. For my presentation in May, I'm particularly drawing on my background as a pre and perinatal psychologist and combining that with biodynamics. My presentation is on prenatal and birth influences on the brain gut axis. So I'll be particularly looking at uh, a long tide phenomenon that we call birth or umbilical ignition and how it can be dampened due to very early influences, often emotional, traumatic, uh, and coming in umbilically, what we call umbilical affect or umbilical feelings coming through the mother. So I hope to see you there so I can share some more of this with you and get to meet you too. Thank you.